Hi, I am M.W. Bakr Siddiq, and welcome to my A series of events about Soviet Union. Today I came to describe about politics and government of Soviet Union. Let's start. 1. Political party. Only party permitted by the constitution-controlled government apparatus and decisions affecting the economy and society. CPSU followed the ideology of Marxism-Leninism and operated on the principle of democratic centralism. Politburo, the highest decision-making organ. Secretariat, controller of party bureaucracy. And Central Committee, the party's policy forum. CPSU membership of more than 19,9.7% of the adult population. In 1987, dominated by male Russian professionals, party members occupied positions of authority in all officially recognized institutions through 2. Government, as authorized by the 1977 Constitution, fourth since 1918. The government executed decisions of CPSU pertaining primarily to the economy, but also to security affairs and social issues. Congress of People's Deputies, created in 1988 by amendment to Constitution, highest organ of legislative and executive authority, consisted of 2250 deputies, about 87% of whom CPSU members or candidate members, and some of whom selected in first multi-candidate, for note multi-party elections since early Soviet period. Slated to meet once a year for a few days. Met for first time in May 1989. Deputies openly discussed issues, elected a chairman, and selected 542 deputies from among its membership to constitute a reorganized bicameral Supreme Soviet, a standing legislature slated to remain in session 6 to 8 months annually. Before 1989, former Supreme Soviet was constitutionally the highest organ of legislative and executive authority, but met only a few days annually. Its presidium managed affairs throughout the year. The Council of Ministers administered party decisions, mainly regarding economic management, by delegating authority to its presidium. The chairman of the Council of Ministers also sat on CPSU Politburo. 3. Judicial System. Supreme Court, the highest judicial body, had little power, lacking authority to determine the constitutionality of laws, to interpret laws, or to strike laws down. 4. Administrative divisions. The country was administratively divided into one Soviet federated socialist republic Russian, and 14 Soviet socialist republics Armenian, Azerbaydazhan, Belorussian, Estonian, Georgian, Kazakh, Kirgiz, Latvian, Lithuanian, Moldavian, Tadzhik, Turkmen, Ukrainian, and below the republic level, administrative subdivisions are complicated, varying with each republic and including the following categories: autonomous oblast, autonomous republic, krai, oblast, and only the Russian Republic had all categories. 5. Foreign relation. Diplomatic relations with the majority of the world's nations. Main foreign policy objectives, as determined by CPSU Politburo: enhance national security, maintain a presence in Eastern Europe, continue peaceful coexistence with free world democracies, and seek increased influence in the Third World. 6. International agreements and memberships. The dominant partner in the Council for Mutual Economic Assistance, Comecont in Warsaw Pact. Active participant in the United Nations and its specialized agencies, signatory to the final Act of Conference on Security and Cooperation in Europe, Helsinki, accords, and many other multilateral and bilateral agreements.